Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your iPhone or Mac ready and opening the Find My app. This gives you the only reliable digital lead. You check the AirPod Pro entry and focus on the last seen time and place because dead AirPods can't emit sound. Once you have that location, tap directions to get walking or driving guidance and make a mental note of where they were last detected. This step narrows your search area fast and keeps you from wasting time. Once done with the Find My location, you methodically narrow the area by retracing your steps and checking high-probability spots like coat pockets, bags, the car, and couch cushions. Dead AirPods won't ping, but their last-seen map narrows search to a specific store aisle or room. Make sure to use a Bluetooth scanner on your phone to catch any residual Bluetooth low-energy signal from a nearby case or earbud. If family devices share the same Apple ID, check their Find My app for updated locations. To finish, you set practical fallbacks. Mark the AirPod Pros as lost in Find My and enable Notify when found so you're alerted if they reconnect. Then call or visit any venues from your timeline and check their lost and found, and record the serial number in case Apple asks. If you still can't locate them, you move on to replacement options through Apple or Apple Care. Troubleshooting tip. If the app never updates, double-check you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that location services are enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.